Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you run for just 10 minutes every day? Running, even for a short duration, can bring about some significant changes to your body and overall health. Let's explore the benefits and transformations that occur when you commit to this daily habit. Benefits of running. When you lace up your running shoes and head out for a quick 10-minute run, you might notice an immediate boost in your mood. This phenomenon, often referred to as the runner's high, is due to the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. But the benefits go beyond just feeling good. How running changes your body. First few seconds. As you start running, your muscles begin to use adenosine triphosphate, the energy molecule your body produces from food. This initial surge of energy converts adenosine triphosphate into adenosine diphosphate. Don't worry if this sounds complex. It's just your body gearing up for the activity. First 90 seconds. In the first minute and a half, your body establishes a running stride. During this time, your cells break down glycogen, a stored form of glucose, to release more adenosine triphosphate. This process also pulls glucose directly from your bloodstream, lowering your blood sugar levels. You might feel a slight burn in your muscles due to the release of lactic acid, but this is just your brain signaling physical stress. It's nothing to panic about. Next few minutes and beyond. As you settle into your run, your heart rate increases, and blood is directed toward your muscles and away from non-essential organs. Your body requires more oxygen to maximize glucose usage, causing you to breathe heavily. Once you find a comfortable stride, your core, glutes, and leg muscles work to maintain your form, keeping you upright and controlled. This effort causes your body temperature to rise, making you sweat. Sweating is your body's way of cooling down, so embrace it as part of the process. Long-term benefits of running 10 minutes every day. 1. Improved lung capacity. Your lungs benefit greatly from regular running. Initially, they might struggle to supply enough oxygen, but over time, they adapt and expand, providing better oxygen supply. This improvement makes breathing during other physical activities feel more natural and less strenuous. 2. Stronger core. A strong core is essential for balance and stability. Running places consistent pressure on your core muscles, strengthening them. This enhancement not only supports everyday activities but also contributes to a more defined abdominal area. 3. Improved blood circulation. When you run, your heart pumps blood more efficiently throughout your body. This increased circulation helps deliver oxygen to your organs and muscles. Over time, regular running strengthens your heart, reduces the risk of arterial blockages, and improves overall cardiovascular health. 4. Develop calves. One of the noticeable changes from running is the development of your calves. Regular running tones and strengthens these muscles, giving your legs a more defined and athletic appearance. 5. Increased metabolism. Running boosts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more quickly. This increased metabolic rate continues even after you finish running, aiding in weight loss and energy maintenance. 6. Stronger heart. Running is a powerful aerobic workout that strengthens your heart. A strong heart pumps blood more effectively, reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Over time, your heart's efficiency improves, supporting your overall health. 7. Better bone density. Running places stress on your bones, prompting them to strengthen. This increased bone density reduces the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Stronger bones support better overall body mechanics and reduce the likelihood of injuries. 8. Improved muscular endurance. Running enhances your muscular endurance, allowing you to sustain physical activity for longer periods. The repetitive motion of running strengthens your muscles, improving their ability to produce energy from carbohydrates and fats. This endurance benefits your day-to-day activities, making them less tiring. 9. Decrease body fat. Running is an excellent way to reduce body fat. This aerobic exercise increases calorie burn, both during and after your run. As your body fat decreases, your muscles become more defined, enhancing your physical appearance and athletic build. 10. Overall body fitness. Regular running improves your fitness in various ways. It strengthens your cardiovascular system, bones, and muscles while enhancing your body's ability to burn calories. People who run frequently tend to have a fitter, more robust body structure than those who don't. Running for just 10 minutes a day can bring about incredible changes to your body and health. From improved lung capacity and a stronger core to better circulation and decreased body fat, the benefits are numerous and significant. Ready to start your 10-minute running journey? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving your health and fitness goals.